everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Marcel, and now I would like to make a cocktail called Leci Yakult Squash. Leci Yakult Squash is a fruity, clear, and refreshing cocktail that consists of Yakult, Leci syrup, soda, and slice of lime as garnish. First of all the ingredients are prepared on the bar. Next, ice are put into the glass. After that, 1 cup of Yakult is poured into the glass. Next, 25 ml of Leci syrup is poured into the glass. Next, 50 ml of soda is poured into the glass. Last, slice of lime is put on the top of glass as a garnish. And here it is, Leci Yakult Squash. Please enjoy.